throughout our flare. So when we're about halfway through the flare. And then as soon as we get it stabilized, we'll push on the go, get going around again.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got our 60 knots, 1600 feet.
I'm ready.
We'll enter auto rotation in 3, 2, 1.
Collect it down. There you go,
So
60.
there's our 60 knots.
We got our 60. Rotor's where it should be.
Starting to come up.
Rotor coming up.
Nice track.
There you go.
Looking good.
Everything's stable. Speed is good. Altitude is good. Arc down a little bit. Get a rotor. We're kind of here comes our 50. Comes our 50. Collect it back and rotor up.
Okay, so you didn't flare near enough on that one. So let's go ahead and follow through.
Okay. 28 tangles on the go.
Yeah, we don't need to tell them because we're cleared low approach.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 55 knots. Start our climb out.
Wyman Tower, helicopter PD 50. 250 Wyman Tower. Mile northeast, hands up down 2000. We're down for landing with the helipad left alpha. 50 left, downwind runway 12. For the 210-118 interchange for base.
Coming up to the road, I'll begin my left. Eyes outside, engine gauges are green.
Clear.
I will instigate my turn down.
Okay, so we're gonna. On that auto, I screwed up and I said looking for our 10 feet. I meant looking for our 50 feet. We're gonna start into our flare. So we're gonna hold our flare. We really want to slow down that airspeed. About 10 feet off the ground, we'll start to level out.
No problem. I shall do it this time.
All right. Watch your power too. We usually shoot for around 25 inches for our normal cruising flight.
Okay.
There we're at our 60 knots, our 1600 feet.
Okay.
And we've got 25 inches. Looking good. And then you can just say, once we get up here, 28 Tango's downwind to beam.
Okay.
350, you're going to be following helicopter traffic currently on the left downwind. Coming up beam the tower now. 250 looking. And continue over the 210 northwestbound. I'll let you know when you turn your base. 250 continuing on the 210.
Okay, tell them now.
28 Tango's downwind, beam the tower.
28 Tango, runway 12, wind calm, cleared low approach.
28 Tango cleared for low approach.
All right. Okay, let's go ahead and start our turn now. Since we don't need to bring our altitude down or anything, we're going to be holding 1600. Okay, we'll level out here. And we'll bring ourselves down to our 60 knots.
60.
60, yeah. And clear to the right. And you were clear to the left.
Okay.
Speedy 50, confirm you still want me to extend. Speedy 50, you can start your base turn now, runway 12, clear to land. Clear to land 12, Speedy 50.
Bringing it back to 60.
1 Star, 2B5, north 170, approaching
okay,
5,
we're at the high end of the RPM. We're good.
Wyman Tower, right down runway 12.
Auto rotation and
report right down, want to be from 12, TV5.
2, and 1.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's maintain
looking good.
60. RPM, rotor looks good. Okay, there we go. Not too fast. There we go. That's good.
Okay.
Beautiful. Looks good. Looks good. RPM is coming up. Rotor's coming up a little higher.
Not too far. There you go.
Wyman Tower, Cessna 128.
Okay, so we're looking for our 50 feet.
Coming up for our 50 feet.
Okay,
and
we'll
I'll tell you,
flare.
this is the 50 feet right here.
Okay, we'll
There's
keep
the flare.
and push
flare.
forward.
There's a flare. There's the flare right
Push forward,
there.
push forward.
Push forward.
There you go. Okay, so we'll get on the go.
28 Tangos on the go.
Don't need to tell them.
Don't need it.
918, hold short, runway 12. Hold short, runway 12, Cessna 13818.
There's our 55. Translational lift. Translational lip coming up. All gauge is good. Traffic is known.
Okay, so we'll do one more.
Will do.
That one was a lot better than the first one.
Yeah.
So we're getting them back.
Yes.
And then we'll make our way back to Van Nuys.
Okay. Okay, I'll instigate my turn. Okay, just
Wyman Tower TV5 is right
any
down.
traffic over our left. All clear?
All clear, yeah.
TV5, you're going to be number 2 following helicopter traffic short final runway 12, mid-com, clear to land. TV5, number 2 behind the helicopter, clear to land, thank you.
Okay, maintain 25 RPM, manifold pressure, excuse me.
Okay.
Coming up to 1600.
Wyman Tower,
Train speed for altitude.
You're not able to squeeze us out.
Here comes our turn. And I will initiate our turn now.
1A, say again. Can you squeeze us out before the TV5 lands? Before the 25 lands?
Jeez.
What are you talking about? Never mind, we'll hold short. 12, 818.
Okay, 1600. Okay. Increase my. Okay, I'll inform the tower in just a moment.
Okay.
28 Tango is downwind, abeam the tower.
28 Tango runway 12, wind calm, cleared low approach.
Cleared for low approach, 28 Tango.
Then 1A runway 12, clear for takeoff, wind calm. Clear for takeoff, Cessna 18, runway 12.
Eyes outside, no traffic visible. We've been given a clear.
All right, so we'll extend out just a little bit further this time.
Extend a little further this time.
Yeah, so we don't have somebody following us this time.
Okay. Get us down to 16, a little 100 feet up.
Okay, this will be good. You are clear to the left.
Clear to the left. .60 at 1600.
Okay, nothing coming into the runway there.
No, nothing taking off. Nothing in sight. All engine gauges are green. Everything is secure.
Okay.
And I will instigate my turn now.
Okay, you are clear left.
Cleared left. .60, 1600.
Okay. All right, we'll enter auto rotation in 3, 2, 1.
Now. 60 knots. Rotor
Okay,
speed.
so we're a
is-
little nose low. See our airspeed increasing.
The rotor's getting out of control here.
There you go. Good, good.
Got it back. We're coming back all the way down. 60, 60. Here comes our 50. Everything looks good. And
Start into our flare.
Flare right here.
And bring it in the RPM. And forward cycling. Forward cycling. Forward